Baby, just in case you're wondering what I'm wearing, it's one of my top 3 Valentine's Day lingerie picks which I purchased from SHEIN, and you can have it as well for only $2.99. Take a look at this. This right here is called the classic Shea Sexy Cut Out Bodycon dress. It is Shea as you can see, but it doesn't come with the underliner. I bought the bra and panty on my own. It comes with only this, the lingerie, and your pair of gloves. This sexy mesh lingerie is made up of 96.4% polymade and 6.6% elastin. It is also a one size, so it fits most. It is really stretchy, so most people who are between a sizes small to large, this will fit you. So let's move on to the second lingerie. This one is called the Cut Out Fishnet Bodycon dress lingerie. It's one size as well, so it fits most. Check out the back of it, you guys. It also has this design in the back. This one doesn't come with underliner as well, so you gotta get your own underliner. As you can see here, I bought my own bra and my own panty to make it work. We're moving on to number 3 in a while, but this one I only got for $1.32. And it's also made of 90% polymade material and 10% elastin. Let's jump into number 3. It's really hot, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below which one your favorite one is, and subscribe to the channel. Pelage siblings product review, and share the video. Okay, you guys, I am putting on lingerie number 3. It's getting hot in here. Oh my god, baby. Don't log off. Stay tuned guys. Subscribe to the channel for more hauls, for hot videos. Okay, oh my god, this one got some hot pink stockings matching to it. And don't forget the bonus items I got at the end of the video for you guys. This is the last and final lingerie number 3. Okay, ladies, don't be scared to get hot in the bedroom for your boyfriends and for your husband. Okay, so this hottie right here is called the Rhinestone studded teddy bodysuit with one pair of hot pink stockings, as you guys can see. This one is also a one size fits most. I'm really loving this one. It's getting really hot in here for Valentine's Day, you guys. Can you feel the heat? Ooh, I can feel it. This baby right here is made up of 95% polymade and 5% elastin. It's got lots of stretch to it. So thank you so much, you guys. Now we're moving on to the 3 bonus items. Since we're in the Valentine's Day mood, you guys, I got this free pack of beautiful sunshine tops for my baby girl. I didn't forget about her on this beautiful occasion. I only got this for $6.59 on SHEIN. It's a hat print and it has ruffle sleeves. She is 1 to 2 years old, so this is a size 90 on SHEIN, 90 centimeters. See, they're really beautiful. So please get this for your daughters. Don't forget, nothing in this video was sponsored by SHEIN in any way. Everything you see I'm wearing here was bought with my own money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and thank you for the support.